weather, it's never better. It is too damn hot, getting fed up. Well, I understand you need everything you wanna be, but this motherfucker.
Plain souvlaki. They open up the damn windows. It's kind of dark in this place. All right. So let's get started on this food. This person next to me got a gyro. Yeah. So look at all that meaty situation once again. I don't care about people looking at me eating because, you know, I'm the real deal. You understand? I got the mic. Now, you don't have to be Greek to have a souvlaki. My eyes are big for 2 souvlakis. Let me try with that bread. Got a little sauce, nothing in this thing. Damn. So my friend ordered a gyro. Bottle of water.
Alright, what's up, y'all? I got this stuff right here called fake dandruff. Look, that's the back right there. Alright, so boom. Jay been playing a lot of bum beep games. So now it's time to get her back. Let me show her what it really do. I'm gonna dump all this in my head. Y'all see I ain't got no. I got my head combed down. I ain't been to the bar, but it's ready to be in my beard and everything. I'm ready to go ham.
You ready to eat?
Yeah.
I'm ready to eat.
Me too.
Eat.
Me too.
Eat. Come on.
Let's get it started. What's up, y'all? We are back with another video. And today we have spicy black bean noodles and some dumplings and cucumbers, y'all. Microphone connected.
Microphone check 1 2 1 2. Who this? Can y'all hear this? Alright, cool. What's up, though?
We ain't rich. We can't just, walk in and out of our studio. We gotta set it up and break it down every night.
Oh, they spicy.
You need to wash it.
What, my head? My picture.
Babe,
What?
stuff is falling.
Ain't no falling. Y'all. Shout out to all new subscribers. Everybody doing their thing.
Right.
It's I ain't had no haircut.
Babe, stuff is falling. What's in your hair?
Nothing. What?
What is that? It's on my leg.
Yeah, I told you I think I need to wash my hair.
It's white.
That's why I told you I think I need to wash my hair. It ain't been like a week and some change. I get dang bad if I don't wash my hair. So how you supposed to wash it?
Hi everyone, it's me, Nick Avocado. We're back home, shoo-doo, I'm home. Hello, we're back home, shoo-doo, I'm home. Hello, and this is Hot and Stevie, cause we're eating Popeyes. Yes, we're having Popeyes chicken. Hello, welcome back to the channel. And again, he handed me back, he wasn't like getting ready to give more. He was not even looking at me, he was looking at the screen waiting for me to drive away. He said all of 2 words for me. All right. And what was the other one? That's it. That's it. That's it. I asked for sweet and heat. So he handed me the Popeye sandwich. And I thought to myself, I'm like, thank God I even looked through the bag. It's just so good. With some sweet heat. Oh my God. This here is a regular, even though I ordered spicy. Ooh. Mmm. Mm. I was so angry. So angry. Wow.
Howdy doody, y'all. Guys, what's up back? What's up? What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Oh, get the ketchup. Can you bring the ketchup? Come in, come and chill with me over here. If y'all hear some music, it's the neighbors. They're playing loud music. Guys, Raising Cane's up into his house. Ooh. Thank you, Hunty.
Dude, you're gonna end up dropping your food.
Don't say that. No, don't say that. You can bounce yourself away from here. Alright, guys. Let's do this. Mukbang, thank you, Lord, for blessing this food, Lord. Bless us with our Lord Jesus. Mmm.
Really?
Really? Whoa.
I need the money.
Guys, this is smacking right now. This slaps, huh? I'm doing
It's
like.
so good, makes you want to slap your mama.
It's so good, makes you want to slap your mama.
I'm in the spot and I cannot move. I'm like, can I please? Man, that's something about me. I'll be coming around. Around the mountain when I come.
And then I come to my parents' house, or oh, Bree's at Raising Cane's. My sister's at Raising Cane's. If you want her to get you something, quick, pay her some money. Everyone's gonna eat. Well, everyone's gonna eat.
No freaking. People really miss the mall that much.
Spend money. I would just walk around. Guys, today I drove past the mall, packed.
I'm eating very good today. So I am back and I'm filming a mukbang, but this time it is a vegan mukbang actually. And it's this place called Veggie Grill and it's really, really good. I'm gonna start with the buffalo chicken wing dipped in ranch sauce. Mmm. That's super good. It doesn't necessarily taste like chicken. Even the ranch is really good. I wonder how they make it. I have another one, and then I'm also doing like a little Q&A, just like a really casual one. I just asked you guys on Instagram a few questions because I honestly didn't know what to talk about. And I wake up in the middle of the night. I don't know what time it was because I didn't have a phone, so I don't even know how I knew the time before. I don't think we had a clock either. But oh, that is so good. Very, very tasty. It's like incredible. There's like coleslaw